Incredible. Hello my beauties and welcome back to another video. Why am I so close to you guys? Because we're like this. That's why. Hello my beauties and welcome back to another video. This has been, I'm very grateful, a long week and I had a really long night. So I wanted to make this video a bit more of a self-care beauty video. I didn't intend for this to happen, but I don't know if you guys remember. I was sitting a couple videos ago telling you guys I haven't gotten a facial in so long. So today, because I had such a long week and day, I was like, maybe that's what we do. Maybe we finally get that long-awaited 2-year facial that I have been waiting for. I do have a couple packages here in front of me, so I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing for you guys. It would help if I put the mic away. Okay, that's better. I did get a package from Net-a-Porter. You guys know I love Net-a-Porter. I don't know what type of magic they have on me, but I'm always finding myself on that website. They have also some of the best sales, although the Essence sale really gets me too. But anyway, I ended up getting this NORMA KAMALI dress, or the biased slip gown, and it is this beautiful black satin floor length dress. And I know what you guys are gonna say, hey, you literally just showed us a black floor length dress in the last video. But this is different, guys. This is a different vibe. And you're gonna see, because I'm gonna put it on. But I thought that this might be a really, really beautiful piece to have. Plus, it was on sale, so I didn't feel super bad buying it. So just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys really quickly. I do also have one more thing. Now, I am not a ballet flats girl, especially because I have like shorter legs, so I always like a little bit of heel or something that elongates my foot, even if it's a kitty heel, even if it's a kitten heel. Meow. I would like something like that. I'm not super in love with flats. However, Dear Francis has these beautiful white mesh flats that I feel can be dressed up in a way that could look cool, that they don't just look like I'm going to the office ballet flats or I'm just trying out this Y2K trend. Right here, so these are not the Dear Francis ones. These are a dupe. I'll go ahead and link them below in my Amazon storefront, but they look pretty much just like it. Oh, how did that get in there? These are not just ordinary ballet flats. I really love the fact that they are mesh. So the toes can be as done as they need to be, but in between the times of your first pedicure and the time to get another one, sometimes you just want a little bit of privacy. And I really love the fact that these mesh flats kind of give you that, but then like you still have like the breathability and the effect of like a summer shoe. So absolutely love these. Do I love these enough to splurge a lot on them? No, and that's why I was able to find the dupe, and I'm so happy I did. And I'll go ahead and link both the Dear Francis version as well. So hopefully you guys try these out and enjoy them, because I think that they could be really cool. Okay, my friends, so I am on my tippiest of toes. It is really long. Like, let me go ahead and just stand regularly. That's how long it is, and that's how it falls, and it has this really beautiful v-neck. It is a bit much for me. I didn't think it was going to be this deep. That's quite a sexy gown. Here, let me just show it to you guys. It is a really hot day, so we are making our way to the pool. It was a much needed pool day. I discovered this last minute and I wanted to show it to you because I feel like sometimes you just need a self-care day. I haven't been on vacation. That's a lie. I've been to Tulum, but it was mostly work. But now I finally just get to sit and relax for the first time this whole summer since everything has been so chaotic. But I just want to show you guys how pretty this view is. Of course, I have my big hat on for sun protection, especially with my scar. Now that I don't have makeup on, I feel like you guys can see it more. But look at this view. Isn't this view incredible? I love old style buildings. Like, I'm very into minimalist, new, but this is so beautiful. All the moldings, great architecture, and you just have a nice pool if you want to just dip in it. I would have to run down to grab a coffee because they don't have a coffee here on this floor, but they do have one 2 floors down. And your girl needs her coffee, but I am gonna go grab that. I have my book on me, and once I have my coffee, the relaxation begins. That is so pretty. I think I got it. It's nice for stacking because it moves now.
It does.
And
the arm, it's gonna get tighter.
Right. Wait, it would be so perfect. Look how cool. Yeah, because you can see, like, I wear it pretty loose, my current watch. Oh my God.
So I sit next to, like, I sit next to, like,
really good.
Yeah. Like how structured that is.
This is the smallest. This is the extra small.
Thank you. Ah, that's a vibe. She's kind of really cool. Oh wait, her shoulders are massive. That's Takeoff's Royal Oak Offshore Watch. Can you imagine? I can't believe in a matter of like 30 minutes